You've got one heart. I've got one heart. Your dog has one heart. Even a great white shark, a predator honed by millions of years of evolution, has just one powerful heart. It's pretty standard equipment for anything with a backbone. And even most things without one. One pump. Does the job? So, imagine an animal that needs three, not two. Three. That sounds like a mistake, right? Like something went wrong in the evolutionary blueprint. Or maybe it's a terrifying superpower. Because deep in the cold, crushing darkness of the ocean, there's a creature that's figured out how to make three hearts work. And it's not just a quirk, it's absolutely essential for its survival. I'm talking about the octopus. These boneless, brainy aliens of the deep aren't just master escape artists and camouflage experts. They possess a circulatory system so bizarre, so seemingly inefficient, it makes you wonder, what kind of cosmic engineer drew up that plan? Why three hearts? What could possibly be so demanding about an octopus's life? That one, or even two, wouldn't cut it? And what does their strange blue blood have to do with any of it? To understand this triple-hearted mystery, we first need to talk about blood, not just any blood, but the stuff that's pumping through their veins. Because it's not red. It's bright, striking blue. Our blood, and most vertebrates, gets its vibrant red color from a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin uses iron atoms to latch onto oxygen molecules, carrying them around our bodies. It's incredibly efficient. It's why we can breathe air, run marathons, and have big, energy-hungry brains. But octopus blood? Their oxygen-carrying protein is called hemocyanin, and instead of iron, hemocyanin uses copper. When that copper binds after oxygen, it turns blue, a shimmering, iridescent blue. It looks cool, sure, but it comes with a major catch. Hemocyanin is significantly less efficient at transporting oxygen than hemoglobin. It just isn't as good at picking up oxygen when there's a lot of it around, and it doesn't give it up as easily where it's needed. Think of it like a clunky old cargo ship trying to keep up with a modern, high-speed container vessel. It can carry the goods, but it takes more effort, more fuel, and more trips. So, why would evolution saddle an octopus with such a seemingly inferior system? Well, it turns out that clunky cargo ship has one crucial advantage. It performs much better than hemoglobin in cold, low-oxygen environments. Places like the deep ocean, where octopuses spend their lives, can be brutally cold and oxygen-starved. Hemocyanin is perfect for those conditions, even if it's not great at maximizing oxygen capacity. It's a trade-off. It allows them to survive where iron-based blood might struggle. But survival isn't enough for an octopus. These aren't sluggish bottom feeders. They're active hunters, brilliant strategists, and notorious escape artists. They need a lot of energy, and energy requires oxygen. So, how do you power a hyper-intelligent, dynamic animal with inefficient, blue blood in a low-oxygen world? The answer, of course, is those three hearts. Here's how it works. You've got one main heart, called the systemic heart. This is the big pump, the equivalent of our single heart, pushing oxygenated blue blood out to the entire body. The brain, the arms, the mantle, everything. But here's the problem. Before that blood can get to the body, it needs to pick up oxygen. That happens in the gills. And to do that, the blood has to pass through a dense, intricate network of capillaries in the gills. A bit like trying to push thick syrup through a fine mesh strainer. If the systemic heart tried to push blood through both the gills and the entire body, it would lose too much pressure. The body wouldn't get enough oxygen. It'd be like trying to run your whole house's water supply through a garden hose nozzle. Everything would just dribble out. This is where the other two hearts come in. The branchial hearts. Branchial comes from branchii, which means gills. So, these are the gill hearts. There are two of them, one for each gill. Their job is simple, but absolutely critical. They pick up the deoxygenated blood after it's circulated through the body, and they give it a powerful boost, pumping it specifically through the gills. Think of them as dedicated booster pumps. The systemic heart pushes blood to the gill hearts. The gill hearts then force that blood through the gills to collect oxygen, and then that now oxygenated blood returns to the systemic heart, ready to be sent to the rest of the body. It's a truly elegant, albeit complex, solution to a tricky problem. The systemic heart doesn't have to waste energy battling the resistance of the gills, preserving high pressure for the rest of the body. And the gill hearts ensure maximum oxygen uptake, even with inefficient blue blood. Without those two dedicated pumps, an octopus simply wouldn't get enough oxygen to power its incredible brain and active lifestyle. But here's where it gets even weirder, and where we truly grasp the ingenious, yet punishing, cost of this setup. When an octopus needs to make a quick escape, it uses jet propulsion. It sucks water into its mantle cavity, then forcefully expels it through a funnel, rocketing itself backwards. It's an amazing burst of speed. However, to do this, the octopus has to clamp down incredibly tightly on its mantle. This clamping action stops the systemic heart from beating. It literally pinches the main pump shut. Imagine trying to sprint while your heart temporarily stops. You wouldn't get far. But remember, the two branchial hearts are separate. They keep pumping. This means that even during these high-stress, high-energy bursts of movement, the octopus can still keep oxygen flowing to its gills. It can keep breathing, even if its body isn't getting fresh blood for a few crucial seconds. It's a remarkable adaptation, allowing for both rapid escape and continuous respiration in a demanding environment. This system allows them to thrive in the low oxygen, cold waters of the deep. But it's not without its enormous cost. 3 hearts mean triple the cardiac muscle, triple the energy expenditure just to keep the blood flowing. Octopuses are already energy hogs. Their giant brains, their incredible intelligence, their instantaneous color changes. All of it burns calories like crazy. Add 3 hearts to that, and you have an animal constantly on the verge of exhaustion. This is why octopuses have relatively short lifespans, often just a few years. They live fast, burn bright, and die young. Every moment is a high-stakes gamble against their own biology. Their whole life is a high-wire act, where the demands of their sophisticated brain and active lifestyle are constantly pushing the limits of their inefficient blood and complex circulatory system. It's a paradox, a brilliantly adapted solution that's also inherently taxing. So the next time you see an octopus gracefully gliding through the water or cleverly hiding in plain sight, remember the incredible biological balancing act happening inside its mantle. Remember the deep blue blood, less efficient than our own, but uniquely suited to its world. And remember those 3 tireless hearts, each playing a vital, intricate role, empowering one of nature's most alien and intelligent creatures. Their story isn't just a quirky biological footnote. It's a profound lesson in evolution's ingenuity, showing us that sometimes the best solution isn't the simplest or the most efficient on paper. Sometimes it's a Rube Goldberg machine of interconnected adaptations, each compensating for the flaws of another, all working together to create something truly extraordinary. It makes you wonder, what other biological inefficiencies in nature are actually brilliant, complex solutions we just haven't fully understood yet?